think I was the brains today and you were just a brawn.
Joe says he works like a boss. That means he just...
Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel and you're wondering about these red cedar trees, this is a look back about 5 years ago at our regular house that we live in right now on the beautiful red cedars that Sharon finished, and now we're in our living room, and we've got another big one down in the bar, and they are absolutely beautiful because they bring nature inside of the house. So here's a quick peek at our last cedar project, and then we'll finish off and get back into this one, transporting it up to the front of the property and trying to get it inside of the VRBO cabin build project. So stay tuned, let's check it out. And if you're wondering where these things come from, we have the history of this tree. So let's take a look at where we found it and how it came to life. It is quite hefty. Once I saw this, I knew Sharon would want it. Whew. How this one's gonna go? Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna say we should try the long way.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. We're winging it. Once again, this is a new kind of way of getting a cedar tree into a house. So we're kind of using our experiences from the past. We're going to try and set it on some rollers on the front end and hoist it up on the back end on this pallet. And well, let's see how it's going to go. This is going to be fun, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. I mean, we are, wait. Are we the B team or the A team? We'll find out in 10 minutes.
On YouTube because we're the fucking A team.
Yeah. All right, the range is hot. Like that, I think we made it.
I thought I was going to puke when it dropped.
Glad we did it right. All right, it looks like we were the A team today. Woo, look at that baby. I think I was the brains today and you were just a brawn.
Well, when Joe says he works like a boss, that means he just sits around and watches other people do the work.
That's a pretty good, I'd say that's legit.
And luckily I do the work of two people.
Yeah, that's legit. All right, and there she'll be for a while till it's time. I don't know which corner she's got planned for this one, but somewhere here in the living room. It's going to be exciting if it survives all the way.